Hi everyone, welcome back. It's your girl Kissy Unstoppable, and today I'm gonna show you how I do jerk chicken. So right about here, you see I have some chicken right here, clean, washed with lemon and vinegar. You see that? Clean everything, get off all the fat and everything. So I'm gonna show you the different type of season I'm gonna put on it. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna put some little knife holes into the chicken so the season can penetrate and marinate it properly, because I want this chicken to be seasoned to the bone. So I'm gonna add a little all-purpose. I'm gonna add a little roasted garlic. I'm gonna add a little meat season. I'm gonna put some jerk season. That's my favorite, jerk season. I'm gonna add some minced garlic. I'm gonna put some minced ginger, a little Mrs. Dash blended season. So these have all different type of herbs. Some pimento, grounded pimento powder, some ground ginger powder, now I'm gonna put in some of my jerk seasoning. This is really spicy, so I'm gonna put like 1.5 teaspoon. I'm gonna put some of this jerk marinade sauce. This sauce has a buzz, remember me tell you. And then I'm gonna go in with some onions, some thyme, and some scallions. So now I'm gonna go in with my hands and I'm gonna work in the season, lift up all the skin and make sure the season penetrate under. Smells so good. So now guys, I'm gonna add some soy sauce. So guys, I'm gonna leave this to marinate, and then I'm gonna take you guys through the process. It's about the time I'm gonna show you how I do my spicy jerk chicken. So as you can see, my chicken is well marinated. So I'm gonna pour a little oil on the tin, just a little. So I'm gonna use my brush and I'm gonna dab it over. Make sure it's even on both sides. Okay. So now I'm gonna place my chicken on it. So I'm scraping off the excess season of it, guys, like the onion, the scallion, and the thyme. Guys, I'm gonna pour some red stripe on it. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven right now. So now guys, I popped it in the oven. Okay guys, as you can see, I take out my chicken from the oven. I'm gonna flip it on the other side and then I'm gonna put it back in the oven. So now I'm gonna flip it on the other side. Wow, this looks nice. So I have some extra sauce here I'm gonna put on it. So the sauce is consists of jerk season and some red stripe beer mixed together. So I'm gonna use this and take up some of the excess juice and put it on it. So I'm gonna put it back in the oven for another like 15 minutes. So my chicken is already finished, so I'm gonna plate it and let you guys see. Guys, there you go. That's the finished product of my jerk chicken. So spicy jerk chicken. And guys, it tastes so good. Not because I cook it, but I'm telling you guys, this chicken has a buzz. The flavors, the sauce, oh my god, you guys, I wish you guys could taste it. But as I was saying, that's the finished product of my spicy jerk chicken. So you know what time is it, guys? All I want you guys to do is just like up this video, share this video out, comment down below, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you know each time your girl upload a video. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? And also check out my other videos, and you can also hit me up on Instagram at Kissy Kitchen. So I hope you all enjoy this video. Until next time, and if you prepare this meal, you can tag me on it and I'll. So guys, I'm out from my kitchen to yours. Look at that.